You should listen to me. Just take a look at my profile picture. I grew up a mouth breather. I was a fucking recessed everything and long, narrow horse face. Just look at it. Then look at my recent videos now. You could literally see how the face is different. This is what I've learned personally as to what works. How to solve an overbite or a deep bite. So a deep bite is just a more severe kind of overbite. First, you gotta understand what really is the problem, what causes this, and this is all caused by one simple thing, which is recession. So recession is just it just means your face did not develop properly, did not develop functionally, and it's lacking in the projection and strength. So that's why it turned into an overbite or a deep bite. And recession can show itself in many different ways, but here we'll be tackling overbite and deep bite specifically. But since you understand that it's simply caused by one thing, the only thing you need to solve is recessions. How do you solve recession? Is by exerting mechanical pressure, mechanical tension on the bone, because the bone is weak. So recession just means the bone is weak, and you need to strengthen it by exerting mechanical pressure, mechanical tension. Same with the muscles. Like if a muscle is weak, you exert mechanical tension, it will go stronger, it will go bigger, it will go just better aesthetically. Same thing with the bones. If it's weak, it's recessed. Just need to apply mechanical pressure, mechanical tension. How do you actually do this? You do this with your tongue, number one, and number two with your jaws or your chewing muscles or your muscles of mastication if you want to be fancy. So how do you actually do this? You simply push up against your palate. So let's say this is your palate, this is the molars, this is the premolars, this is the canines, then the incisors. So it's a top view of the palate. Where do you want to push with your tongue? You want to push along this midline area. So this is the hard palate, this is the soft palate. You don't really want to push up against the soft palate. You want to push only on the boundary of the hard palate and soft palate. Don't really need to go that far back. Just push along this midline area and you'll be golden. So as long as you're doing this and you're not clenching and you're not jutting or how do you say it? Jutting or jutting it in or out your jaw. So as long as you stay in neutral, you don't clench, and you push along this area, you'd be golden. You don't need to overcomplicate it. Other than that, your teeth can be in touching lightly. Your teeth can be 1 millimeter apart. That's it. So with this will just simply stimulate the top part of your face, which is the maxilla, like this upper jaw, lower jaw is the upper lip, lower lip, chin, ramus. It will stimulate this area so that it will grow. It will move forward and upwards, or not even forward and upwards. It'll just get stronger, because if it's already compact, like people say, they think it'll just squash the face, but no, that's not how it really works. It just makes this stronger, so it will project in the areas where it's lacking. So it will improve the upper jaw, and the lower jaw will also be improved because it's just literally attached to it. So the deep bite is when this area is kind of recessed. That's what you think. You think deep bite happens or overbite happens if this is the area, only this area is recessed, but in actuality it's both areas are recessed, which is why you still need to use the tongue. But to actually address the mandible more directly, to do the number two, which is mastication or just hard chewing. So you want to chew hard on your molars, your premolars, incisors, and canines, every tooth, but keep it in a sense of, since the front teeth are used for cutting, you only cut food once naturally, then you chew it like 30 times. So keep that in mind. Just use these front areas sparingly, but chew with these areas more, like the premolars and the molars. And that will stimulate this area to get stronger. And though I may not get the mechanics down pat right now, but what I will say, this will improve or lessen the recession by making the face stronger and both the upper jaws. And this is this is what's lacking. That's why you have a overbite or underbite. So I hope this was delivered as clear as possible. If not, just leave a question. I will answer you with another video soon. And if you want to go deeper on this, if you want the community or more direct help, then just click the link in the description below. So that's the video. Goodbye.